welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to be making a 5-gallon paint stir stick Valentine's Day door swag, and I'm going to be using this cute little, it says Better Together, what is he? Hedgehog? Cute little hedgehog, and I believe he was $3 at Dollar Tree. So we have our hedgehog, this says 21-inch ruler sticks, comes in a 3-pack, and I usually get these at Lowe's or Home Depot, someplace like that. You're also going to need some floral picks, and I picked up these roses, also from Dollar Tree. They were $3 each. You're going to need some 10-inch mesh, and this is Celebrated brand. I believe I picked it up at Michael's. And then we're going to use some Valentine's Day heart picks, but you can make this for any season or holiday. I also have a playlist, and I'll link it in the description box for you. So let's get started. You are also going to need some pipe cleaners for this DIY. So I am going to take my paint stir stick, move down about 2.5 inches, take a pipe cleaner, twist it around the paint stir stick on the left side, take a second pipe cleaner, and I am going to twist it around the paint stir stick and place it on the right side. Then I'm going to take a third pipe cleaner, twist it around my paint stir stick and leave it pointing toward the ceiling or in the center. Then I'm going to move down about 3 or 4 inches, take a pipe cleaner, twist one on the left, and then I'm going to take another one and twist it and leave it on the right. For this door swag, I am doing in the center section just a pipe cleaner on the left and the right, and then on each end I have the pipe cleaners in a set of 3 so that I can add a ruffle to the middle pipe cleaner. And here I'm adding a little bit of hot glue so that the pipe cleaners don't slide or move. Just be careful using your hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. And next I'm taking my mesh, cutting it into strips at 24 inches. And you will need 2 rolls of this mesh to be able to put a ruffle in each of your pipe cleaners. You want your strip of mesh to curl toward the ceiling, roll the end 2 or 3 times, and put a chip clip or clothespin on the end. Go to the opposite end, roll it 2 or 3 times. Then you're just going to take your fingers, walk your fingers up the center of your mesh till you get to the other end. Then you're going to remove the chip clip or clothespin. Now you have a beautiful woodland ruffle or cruffle. This method helps to keep down the fraying. Now I'm going to the top left pipe cleaner, placing the ruffle in between the pipe cleaner, pushing it down to the paint stir stick, twisting the pipe cleaner around it several times, placing it back on the left side, fluffing my ruffle. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps. Just roll the strip of mesh 2 or 3 times, put a chip clip or clothespin on the end, go the opposite end, roll it 2 or 3 times, walk your fingers up the middle of the mesh until you get to the other end, remove the chip clip or clothespin, take your ruffle, go to the pipe cleaner on the top right, place your ruffle in it, twist the pipe cleaner several times, and place it back on the right side. Now we're going to make a third ruffle for the center pipe cleaner. Now the rest of the pipe cleaners that are in the middle section, I'm only going to make a ruffle for the left side and the right side. And because I only had 1 roll of this mesh left, I was not able to put in the very last set of 2 pipe cleaners a ruffle in each, but my cute little hedgehog sign covered it for me. So if you want a ruffle in each pipe cleaner, buy 2 rolls of mesh. Next, I'm taking a zip tie mount or cable tie mount that I ordered off of Amazon. Just going to add a little bit of hot glue to the back of the sign, place the cable tie mount in it, then I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue around it just to make sure that it stays on. Set it aside and let it have time to dry. Now I'm going to tie a big bow for the top. Here I'm dovetailing the ends. You'll either want to dovetail the ends or cut them at a slant, then fluff and shape your bow. And I like to stick my hand in each loop just to open up the loops. You'll want to use ribbon with wire for your bow. To attach my bow to the top of my door swag, I am going to take some 20 gauge floral wire that I picked up at Walmart. I'm just going to take the wire, go to the back of the bow, and thread the wire underneath that zip tie, and that way I can easily attach the bow to the wreath or whatever craft project I'm working on. And this is just 20 gauge floral wire, so I have it threaded underneath the zip tie. Now I'm going to give the wire a twist, then I'm going to go to the top of my door swag, and I am going to thread the wires through the mesh on the right side and the left side of the paint stir stick. Then I'm going to go to the back, twist the wires, cut them off short, and fold them down. To hang this door swag up, it's easier to just drill a hole in the top of the paint stir stick. I usually just take some twine and make a loop with the twine to hang the wreath up on my door. Also, I was going to tell you that when you get it finished, you could take a strip of felt to cover the back of the paint stir stick. That way it doesn't scratch your door or your wall. Here's how it looks with the big bow added to the top, and I usually add one to the bottom because I usually put the sign in the center, but I did this one a little different. Here I just added the wire to the cable tie mount, gave it a twist, and now I'm going to place this adorable sign from Dollar Tree, or it's not really a sign, it's a hedgehog door hanger, right there where I am missing those two ruffles, and it covers it pretty good. So now I'm taking the wires, putting them on the left and the right side of the paint stir stick, going to the back, twisting them a few times, going to cut them off short and fold them down. And I also glued on this hedgehog sign. This week I started working on Easter DIYs. You might have noticed the cute one hanging behind me in the introduction to this video. So if you haven't seen that tutorial, I'll link it for you because it's super easy and inexpensive too. Next, I'm adding some heart picks that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I am just going to clip these onto those pipe cleaners, then add a little bit of hot glue, and then later I'm going to clip the pipe cleaner short and fold them down. So I'm placing one on the left, one on the right. Then I did add some more Dollar Tree, just the foam heart picks. They're pink with glitter on them. And I did add some of the pretty roses to the store swag. Just remember at the end to take your pipe cleaners, cut them a little shorter, and fold them down. And I usually add something fun over these. Right now, Dollar Tree has like the heart table scatter that you could hot glue over the top of the pipe cleaners if you wanted to. But just have fun with it and be creative. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, shopping hauls, and decorating videos, so I'd love to have you. And here I'm just taking some of the Dollar Tree heart picks, just added a little bit of hot glue to the end, and just going to push it into the mesh. You might want to hold them just a little while to let them have time to dry. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. I'm using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks, Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, and I have mine on the low temp setting. Then I'm adding a heart to the center of the bow. Then I just took some of the roses, cut them off shorter, added some hot glue, and placed them around the door swag.